afternoon, good evening. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to the LaShaun channel. In today's video, guys, I am sharing with you a Michael Kors bag review. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like and thumbs up the video. Everybody who's been here before, welcome back, guys. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, so I have this Michael Kors purse review for you guys. This is the name of the bag on the screen because I honestly don't remember the name of it at this moment. This bag has been sitting in my filming room upstairs for my other YouTube channel. It has been sitting in the room for months, at least 4 or 5 months. Angelle picked this up from Michael Kors outlet for me back in June or July. That's how long it's been sitting on the floor. So with that being said, let's unbox her. Let's see what we got, because I honestly do not remember her name. So I just remember that she's in the color pale gold, guys. I promise you. So I'm going to get her some of this paper. Isn't she a cutie? Let's get her taken loose. She is absolutely gorgeous. Don't you just love all of this gold that's up on your screen right now? Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? Just beautiful, beautiful. I really wanted a gold bag, guys. And when Angelle showed me this bag, she sent me a picture and a little video. I was like, I gotta have her. She actually had left the store and she sent me this and I was like, I gotta have her. So she went back and got her and I am so in love. Even though this is my first time unboxing her, I was in love with the picture, okay? Look at this. Look at this. Look at these straps. I love this. Look at the hardware on her. Look at that Michael Kors and the zip front. I am a sucker for a zip front bag, okay? And that is exactly why I love her so much. The organization starts out right from the front. I love the texture of this bag as well. So, so pretty. Let's take a look at her from behind. This is her from the other side. Again, these handles are just amazing, okay? And then she does not have feet. You guys know I love feet on a bag, but it's okay. She don't have feet. Here she is from the side. She has the leather piping on the sides, the bottom, and then of course the handles. Let's take a look inside of her. So inside of her, you have a very deep zip pocket on one side of her, and then on the other side of her you have 3 little slip pockets inside, and the inside is a really pretty silk material inside. Gorgeous, just gorgeous all the way around. I cannot wait to style her. Now I have some other pieces that I have purchased in the past that I want to really put together with this bag. Now, here is a bag that I purchased from Poshmark, and the first person I saw with this bag was Renee Savage. Years ago, I saw Renee Savage with this bag, and I was like, this is when I first discovered a pull-out bag, okay, that you take with you. And so I had to have her. Now, this is the second one that I've purchased, guys, because guess what? Here is the first one. As you can see with the first one, I wore all the color off of the bottom of the first one, okay? She is faded and banged up, but as you can see, she still is full of stuff. Look, the color is gone, okay? So I love this bag so much that I had to go ahead and purchase another one, and I literally got both of them off Poshmark, okay? So I'm excited to have these to go inside of her. Also, I had been picking up more pieces. I actually picked this one up as well. And this is a wristlet. Um, same, same type of logos on there. It has the wristlet, zip in the middle. So I was really excited to get this as a piece to be able to go in there as well. And then, of course, you have to get the zip wallet. So I did find the zip wallet, but in a different pattern. So if you notice, this one has the small MKs on it, and this one has the bigger MK logo on it as well. It's not the really long zip wallet, but it's a shorter version of. I'll put the name of it on the screen for you guys, but it's the same with the card slots, multiple card slots, a space for your ID. There's a zip pouch inside so that you can put cash or receipts, and then here's a space up here for your checkbook or whatever you decide, or cash or whatever you decide to put in there. So yeah, I'm excited that I have all of these pieces to go with this bag. Also, I have another gold wallet that I got from the beauty supply. She is a beauty with her, okay? She looks gorgeous with her as well. And no, I'm sorry, this came from Amazon. Guys, I got this years ago from Amazon. This is the second one. And my niece actually has she was so excited about it. She asked me for it for years, and I finally gave it to her. This is the inside. It's the, same as usual. And here's the back. The back is the same. And as you can hear, you hear that? It's the glitter texture. It does not leave glitter fallout or anything like that, which is a good thing, but it is very much textured, okay? And so, yeah, we love her. But she looks so good. The sparkle and shine with this particular bag, it looks really good. So, yeah, these are just some pieces, and it's just a few pieces that I actually could rock with this bag. I'm so excited. This is going to be one of my fall bags that I carry. I cannot wait to carry the bag. I am excited about it. Here's the little wristlet if it'll stay. And then we have our pull-out bag here. Okay. So, yeah, I'm so excited. I cannot wait, guys, to style this bag. I can't wait. It actually looks very holiday. So I don't know if I want to do it for the fall or if I want to wait and carry it around the holidays. I'm not going to use it as a special occasion bag, because for me and my personality, this is a everyday bag for me. This is what I do. So I'm excited about it. Guys, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Tell me if you like the setup. What do you think I should add? Or do you think this is too much bling? Like, let me know what you think. I am so in love, and I'm so glad that I finally got a chance to unbox her. But I will let you guys, I will definitely film when I do a what's in my bag on this real soon. Okay, definitely before the holidays. So I'll keep you guys posted, okay? Well, that's it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really, really appreciate you. I cannot wait to style this gorgeous bag and start wearing her. The straps has me in just mesmerized. It's just something about these straps. I am in love. Okay? So, thank you so much, guys. Until the next video. Bye.